Hello and welcome. I'm Parul Sharma and you're watching Zoom TV. Today I have with me the cast and director of the show Hiccups and Hookups. Please join me in welcoming Kunal Kohli, Lara Datta Bhupati, Prateek Babbar and Shinova. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Of course, my mic has fallen off.
Your mic fell.
I am Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong.
But it's nice. We'll use it as part of the
Of course we will.
hiccups.
Exactly.
I'm so glad I just realized when Parul was introducing us that to make up for my name, Shinova is just Shinova. Thank God. Because it's like Kunal, Lara Datta, Bhupati, Prati, and Shinova.
Yeah, it helps. She's like making a mark. So how are you guys doing today? What's happening? Just chat with me a little bit. Feeling fine?
Yeah, we're just hanging out.
We're fine and dandy, hanging out.
Yeah,
This is
being
how I break
our
ties.
rowdy
Being
selves.
rowdies, huh?
Rowdy. I got it. Ah.
So, of course, this show is an adaptation of the show Casual, right? Kunal, specifically as the director, what would you say are like the pressure points of adapting something to an Indian audience and to a different region? The hiccups, as you could say. What did you feel were the pressure points?
Not too many actually, because fortunately, I don't know why, the original show has not been that viewed in India.
Right.
So I saw it only after I was offered the show. And I saw it and I was like, damn, that's a good show.
Yeah.
And also we've changed quite a lot.
Right.
So there are characters which are not there in the original. So we've changed quite a lot. So in that way, it's not like we're remaking Friends. So there's so much of a pressure point, you know,
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
oh my God, we're going to die under the pressure. We're making a show that whoever has seen it has loved it. And yeah, so not too many pressure points. The pressure points were different. That how do you make these characters who are on paper come alive?
Right.
And then, ta-da, they walked
The
in.
cast happened.
The cast happened, and then one by one it all fell into place.
What about like, did you have to tone down any of the scandalous things or like, any of, for like the Indian audience, or you didn't go in with that thought at all?
Well, you've seen the trailer. I don't know how toned down you wanted it to be.
Fair enough.
It's not that toned down,
Right.
but it's also not that
Yeah.
much as
Okay.
everyone is making it out to be or people are feeling.
Right.
You know, it shouldn't be that the show देखो बस यही था हम तो और मसाला ढूंढ रहे थे.
So the trailer sort of gives us an idea into like the very real and crazy and messy and unfiltered relationships that really do exist. Barring the limitations of the censor board, do you think that Bollywood is still like a far way away from reaching OTT content and like the limitations that we face? Is it safe to say, or like do you think we're almost there?
Well, I think, you know, not too many years, okay, maybe too many years back, films like Kabhi Kabhi showed Shashi Kapoor and Rishi Kapoor in a wonderful father-son relationship, in a wonderful mother-son relationship, where Rishi Kapoor could ask his mother how many guys would run behind you in college and things like that.
Right.
So I think we've always been very open. We've always been a space where family is important, and or अगर family important है means you should be able to discuss anything with your family.
Right.
तो क्यों ये हिकअप आ गया बीच में कि आप फैमिली के साथ ये नहीं डिस्कस कर सकते, फैमिली के साथ वो नहीं डिस्कस, क्यों? फैमिली है भाई, फैमिली के साथ नहीं बात करोगे तो किसके साथ बात करोगे? तो fortunately this is a family that discusses everything.
Yeah.
And I think that's wonderful. I've always had in my films very open relationships between the parents and the children. When Rani Mukherjee's heart is broken in Hum Tum, she cries to and with her mother.
Yeah.
Saif's weaknesses in the film are derived from his father. His father says it also. Okay, I hope I've not given my weaknesses to my son
Right.
as inheritance. So I've always sort of played with human relations, and I've enjoyed playing with human relations. And I love that in this show, we could openly talk about things.
Yeah.
And is Bollywood being shy? Not really. Some people are, some people are not. That's person to person. And I don't think it's fair to compare Bollywood and OTT, because everyone is doing things in their space with their subjects. There are a lot of films that are very progressive. There are a lot of films that are, you know, I have a problem with this word progressive. Progressive का मतलब है कि हम पीछे रह गए हैं. हम पीछे नहीं हैं किसी भी चीज़ में. We are quite advanced.
Right.
We just don't say it sometimes. जो carpets है ना, हम carpet के नीचे सब चीज़ें छुपा देते हैं. And I think it's just time to
Lay it all bare.
remove the carpeting.
What about the rest of you? Please weigh in on this.
Yeah, I think, look, being part of I think it's a blessing to be an artist and to be part of a creative field. And our job is not to be the moral police. Neither is our job to set the limitations of what people should or should not watch, what they should or should not like. That's not our job. As artists, we have a responsibility to put everything out there, to put it all out on the screen. That is your prime job as an artist. You might be a star, you might be an actor, you might be whatever, but if you are a true artist, you step into a character, you inhabit a character as a director, you create a world, you tell a story, and it's all out there. It gives the audience the opportunity to choose what it is that they want to align themselves with or not. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम कुछ दिखा रहे हैं जो दुनिया में है नहीं.
Yeah.
हम कुछ अलग चीज नहीं दिखा रही है जो ये है नहीं और अभी हम आपके लिए मतलब क्रिएट करने जा रहे हैं.
Yeah.
It's all there and it's all about human relationships. It's all about that. So it's up to you as an audience कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगे, नहीं अच्छा
What do you
लगे,
wanna
नहीं
consume?
मैं इसके साथ मतलब aligned हूँ, नहीं ये मुझे इस चीज़ से बिल्कुल मैं मतलब समझ ही नहीं सकती हूँ और मुझे इससे बहुत घिन है, मैं इसे बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
Yeah.
That's fine. That is also a choice that you need to be given as an audience. So I think it's fantastic whether आप बॉलीवुड की बात करें या OTT की बात करें कि आज एक फ्रीडम आई हुई है जहाँ पे लोग ऐसी चीज़ें बना सकते हैं, दिखा सकते हैं. पहले हमारे फिल्मों में या हमारे शोज़ में LGBTQ की चीज़ें मतलब बहुत ही कम या बहुत ही अजीब तरीके से
Comic relief और
ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट किया जाता था. आज एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा बन गया है. एंड देयर इज एन इंक्लूजन. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट inclusion doesn't just exist where you have, like today you say, okay, more women within the entertainment industry as writers, as directors, as producers, not just as actors.
Yeah.
But inclusion means you include all kinds of people, all kinds of scenarios, all kinds of events,
Absolutely.
ethnicities, all of that. And I think that's very, very important, and it's our responsibility as artists, as creators, to be able to freely be able to do that.
Now I know why you won that pageant. Like, you were so inspiring to listen to. Seriously.
No, I think Kunal and Lara summed it up perfectly.
Yeah, they said it beautifully.
Beautifully.
Yeah.
We have responsibilities as an artist. We have to we have to portray our characters with all honesty and passion, whether it is something bold or not. But people are getting more open-minded. And it's not like we've never made films like this, like
Yeah.
Lara and Kunal mentioned. It's not like it's never been around. It has been around. In fact, there's been so many films that have been so ahead of their time. And if I have to, name one, my own mother's film, Bhumika, was so ahead of its time, made in the early mid 80s. I mean, even now, if you talk about that film, it's an actress having an affair with, married, having an affair with the producer, having an affair with the actor. So it exists, and it always has existed. I think there was a bit of a lull in between where things had become extremely taboo and everything just was extremely family oriented, but it's changing. Time, everything changes. Time, people, evolution, it's inevitable. It has to happen, and it will, and people are more open-minded to bold content, and like Lara and Kunal said, everybody has a choice. You have a choice to consume what you want to and what you don't want to. But I don't think there's going to be any shortage of this kind of content.
Absolutely.
It's only going to grow, Parul, and I'm all for it because we need to be aware. As a country, we have an image of being backward and
Yeah, that's kind of what I meant. Like,
yeah.
the
So
movie-going audience. Yeah,
Sure,
that's what I meant.
but it's changing. It's evolving. People are open-minded, and it's only going to grow. It's only going to grow.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Noah?
Yeah, I feel like they said it pretty much like all, but I feel the films that I saw, like Ram Teri Ganga Maili, or all like Smita Patil films, and even Fire. Fire was like wow. So
Yeah.
all of these films, it was all, in fact, more, even Zeenat Aman films, right? I saw and I was like, wow, it's so open, right? And now I don't know, suddenly when in between all these films were like, I just felt it was not as inclusive. Like as she said about the LGBTQ stuff, it's like I see it really, it's like growing because
Yeah.
I see so much on Netflix, like on even Amazon, like they have so much content coming up that's really, it's quite, I feel, there's a lot of acceptance now, I feel, than it was. And I feel
Absolutely.
we've become more...
Getting there.
Yeah, we're getting
Absolutely.
there.
And
yeah,
I
we're
think by
definitely...
bold, it doesn't mean,
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
revealing or
Yeah.
showing scenes
Yeah.
or
Yeah.
things. That's not the meaning of bold.
Yeah.
Bold is, talking about things that are not generally
yeah.
spoken about. And like I said, it's always happened. It's always been there. Even
Yeah.
Prem Rog was a bold film because it spoke about widow remarriage.
Right.
But, so bold has always been there.
Yeah.
Aradhna was a bold film because it talks about a woman who gets pregnant without being married.
Yeah.
And brings up a child, and the child joins the Air Force. Okay, and that's a hardcore commercial Hindi film.
Yeah.
Sapno Ki Rani, one of the biggest all-time hit songs, is from that film. So we've always been bold.
Yeah.
We've always had good subjects. Now let's have it in OTT as well.
Fair.
And not bold for the sake of,
Just being scandalous.
Just being scandalous.
Yeah.
Not at all.
बड़ी
You've got a mix of
cinephile
everything.
वाली conversation कर ली है हमने ये. It's like hectic. Okay, I'm gonna change the pace of this, and now we're gonna play a fun game. I know 3 out of 4 are married and happy and whatever, but I'm gonna need you guys to regress back to your singlehood days and dip into that vault of memories because we're gonna need that. So we will start from this side. This is the dating game.
Maybe.
If you had a dating profile, what would your bio be?
Ooh. I didn't get braces when I was 14, and my mom told me, get braces because your teeth are crooked, and you will not be able to date girls, or girls will not
Okay.
be attracted to you. So I said, I'll use my charm, don't worry.
So that would be your bio.
I don't know why I said that, but that's like, I will not
I have
a
bad
dating
teeth, but I'm
profile.
charming.
I'll use my
Didn't
charm.
get braces when I
won't
had
have
to,
a
but
dating profile, I'll use my charm.
okay, fair. It works, I guess. Little weird, but
Little weird,
I'll
but-
take it. Lara, what about you?
No, you know what I think with this game should be? I think you should ask each other what we would write on the other
For
person's
each other? Okay,
dating.
fine. Give it to me. Give it to me.
I think that
Do
would
it. Do
be
it.
the.
Do it. You
Chalo.
give me one for bad
So
teeth.
you give me one for me.
Kunal, what would we say? No, we have to join.
Ah, yes, together.
Kunal, we'd have to
What
say.
would my dating profile say?
Something about salt and pepper. Something about salt. Salt and pepper has to be in there somewhere.
Shinova, say.
Sexy.
Salt, pepper, and a lot of spice.
Salt.
Pepper
Salt
and a lot of spice.
Salt, pepper, and a lot of spice.
I'll season your life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now Lara.
Okay,
What should we
for
say about
Lara?
Lara?
Ooh.
I got it.
The polo polo.
Say.
Cooler and wilder than she looks.
Cooler
And wilder.
With a
That's like
great
a
back
background
humor.
something with Queen. Queen
Sense of humor should come.
Queen has to be
Nobody
there.
wants to date a queen.
In a
course,
sense of
no
humor,
one.
people
No,
do.
have you not seen The Crown? Nobody wants to date the queen.
I don't need a bio.
Okay.
No, let me
Meta.
say it.
Your
That's
bio?
her. That's her. I don't need
I don't
one.
need a bio.
Ah.
Yeah.
Fair. We
Okay,
went
that's a
that
good
with
one.
that.
Better than
Fine.
mine.
Okay, Pratik.
Fast and furious.
Oh my.
Fast and Furious.
That
yes.
can be taken in any possible
No,
way.
no. Fast and
Oh
Furious.
my God.
That is.
Pun intended.
Shinobi.
Shinobi.
Novi.
Looks are deceptive.
What does that mean?
Okay, do you
Come on,
have one for
Shinova
yourself?
is
Shinova,
the only
Shinova.
one who can actually be on a dating site.
Correct.
Guys.
Yeah,
We have to
exactly.
make a really
I
good
have
bio.
been. I have been. I've tried it out. Yeah.
So what was your bio?
No bio.
No
There was no bio. There was an emoji.
Craziest or most unique date story?
I went on a date where the afternoon was spent. It was like the first date, the first time I'd met this person. We spent the afternoon in an old abandoned bathtub reading. Let me rephrase. Reading in an old abandoned bathtub on a rooftop in Calcutta.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
No one can
cool.
beat that.
No one can beat
Yeah,
that. That's
wow.
just.
That was the first date. I still remember we read this book. I must have finished half of it. He must have finished half of his book. And then we went down and ate puchkas on the sidewalk on the corner.
I don't know,
She's-
be
she-
scared or like exciting.
She set the bar too high. I don't
Yeah.
think we
Too
can.
high.
I don't think we
But you guys got
weird.
easily your way out
It
of
was
it,
just
so don't
weird.
try. That's kind of crazy though. Yeah, that is actually a crazy
That
date
is
story. I
crazy.
must tell you.
I have a crazy one.
Yeah,
too.
tell me.
So we drove, I used to stay in town, so we drove from town to Mud Island. Okay? And I thought this girl was very cool because she was driving. So we drove all the way
The
to
bar
Mud
is
Island,
so
and I was
low
very
for
happy.
women.
And I was very
Right.
happy that she's driving. I could have a beer on the side. वो सब चल रहा था. But at 11:30 at night, we had a fight, and she threw me out of the car and left. And I was stuck in Mud Island with 50 rupees in my pocket.
Oh my God.
That's a fun one.
That
and
was a
mean.
That was
she was
that
mean.
was a yeah. That was a
Not a nice girl. Hope you ended that right there and then.
no, and she also threw a hairbrush at me. So
What did you do?
Yeah, what did you do?
I didn't do anything. I'm such a nice guy. So
What
I
is
was
it?
Donna Paula, ऐसा कुछ था एक
Yeah, yeah.
restaurant, hotel or something over there. So I was standing outside there and I'm begging the guy, मेरे को please आज रात के लिए कमरा दे दो, मेरे पास 50 रुपए हैं. He said नहीं.
और
500
मैं
रुपए.
अकेला हूँ.
और मैं अकेला हूँ. बहुत decently कमरा मांग रहा
Hotel
हूँ.
decent.
See, I've actually been on very normal dates.
Yeah, very normal
Nothing
one.
weird has
Lie.
happened in your dating
Yours
life.
was-
Oh yeah, I've done stuff, unusual
don't
stuff
lie.
after the
Yeah.
first date.
But does that mean the
Tell us
first
that
date?
only.
Really
Tell us
date?
that only.
Yeah.
Okay.
He said, what is
I'm
okay
still-
to say
I'm
on,
still
on
Like,
camera?
अभी इनमें से normal वाला कौन सा
हाँ, अभी
निकाल?
मैं
Normal वाला कौन सा निकाल?
I've been on a date in my swimming trunks, and the person I was dating was in a bikini, and we were on a date.
That's very lame. You are disqualified.
Exactly.
I'm
I
sorry.
mean,
Yeah. Okay. The biggest hiccup you've ever had on a date or relationship? Yours, though, I know you got thrown out on a hairbrush was thrown at you.
इससे बड़ा क्या हो सकता है?
What are
Yours,
these
biggest
questions?
hiccup.
The biggest hiccup I've had is that it wasn't actually a date, but it wasn't, I don't know what it was. It wasn't a
No,
date
that's fine,
date.
whatever.
But the
It was a
person.
situationship.
Yeah. But the person ended up having just the worst body odor.
Oh my God.
हाय हाय.
Like
Hi.
you
Oh my
couldn't
goodness.
sit next to the person kind of body odor. And it was so uncomfortable because I'm not a rude person, as you guys know.
Yes.
I'm like a very polite person.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So when he came to ask you for the date, why did you say yes?
No, it wasn't like that. No, he didn't come like this to ask me for the
तो
date.
दूर से पूछा.
Yeah, but it was like one of those.
Texting हो
Yeah, it was a texting. Okay, shall we meet? Yeah, okay, fine, we'll meet. So it wasn't like a date. Like I didn't have any those kind of feelings like I want to get to know this person better or something like that. But it was.
Just like चलो dinner पे चलते
मिल
हैं.
लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Let's see where
And
this
he
goes.
just had like really, really bad.
So
body
where did it
odor.
go? You left.
It didn't go
Obviously not
anywhere.
anywhere.
मतलब you
It
left.
went with me going out of the door. That's the only where it went.
fair.
Forgot my wallet.
Yeah.
I was on a date with a really pretty woman, trying to impress her. I forgot my wallet. That was hilarious.
तो बर्तन मांजे कि नहीं?
No. I paid her in kind.
Good one.
No, but actually, it was quite. I was very frightened because I took her to a very expensive place. I'm like, यार इसके पास इतने पैसे होने चाहिए यार हम.
नहीं तो actually बर्तन मांजने पड़ेंगे दोनों को.
I don't know. Zodiac Grill still exists. I think
Yeah.
No,
No, it doesn't exist
no,
It
anymore.
doesn't exist anymore. So I'd
Yeah,
gone
but ये
there.
तो बहुत ही
Zodiac
महंगी.
Grill.
I don't think Parul was not born when Zodiac Grill
forgot my
existed.
wallet.
Neither was Shinova.
I forgot my wallet and
French restaurant at the Taj, one of the
Yeah.
finest
Oh.
restaurants.
Why did they shut it down? Maybe it's too expensive. Maybe that's why.
Fair. Okay.
I don't know. I think I went out with this guy where he made me meet his friend. And then I saw the hickey on the guy's neck. I was like, okay, I'm out on it. Okay, it's fine. I don't care. It's okay. And then the girl asks me after a while, so did you give him the BB cream? So I was like, why would I give him the?
Yeah.
So she said, oh, he said you gave him the hickey.
Oh God.
Oh
I
my
said,
God.
I did not do anything with him yet. ये मेरा नाम खराब कर रहा है इधर उधर.
Let me be really clear.
Yeah,
Yet I have
like
not.
what? Then I never met him.
Yeah, I mean, fair
call.
enough.
Then I
He's
never met
clearly
him.
getting
But I
around.
think I need to have more experiences like them. Like,
Best and worst pickup line that has ever been used on you.
No one's used a pickup line on me, but yeah, worst one was, it was actually by a guy.
Tell us.
Please tell, do tell.
It was not, it was, no, it was just very straightforward. He just came up to me and said, "You're kind of cute. Are you gay?" And I said, "No, I'm not." He said, "What a pity."
Oh, that's sweet, actually.
That was quite sweet,
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
I would actually say it was my husband's proposal, which I think was the worst, but for me worked, right? It was obviously the best. But I think it was, I told you about Mahesh's proposal.
No.
Mahesh had the
Remind
worst
me.
proposal in the world. So his lines.
yes, you told me.
Correct. His
Yeah.
lines were people normally get married, buy a house, get a dog. We've got a house, no, we've got 3 dogs, we've bought a house together, but are you ever going to marry me? So that was Mahesh's line.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
I mean, it
That's
was.
pretty straight. That's pretty
Yeah,
straightforward.
Fair, it was.
Okay, mine was
it was.
somewhat similar.
Yeah.
So I told my wife now,
Yeah.
my current wife and my only wife. I told her, I said, okay, so my mom wants to meet your parents. So she's like, for what? I said, well, to discuss the wedding and everything. She said, what wedding? I said, our wedding. She said, but you haven't proposed to me. So I said, yeah, but now come on, yeah.
You
now
are your
abhi
own
kya
worst
hai?
pickup line.
I was, yeah, I gave the worst.
basically.
I was like, ab now kya yaar, now come on.
कर ही लेते हैं,
Now let's
तो
get
इतना दूर आ
married.
गए.
So she was like, yeah, okay.
Okay, fair.
And then she calls up her parents and said, Kunal's parents want to meet you. So they're like, for what? So I think
Everyone's confused.
everyone was just like, ye log kyun milna chahte?
Fair. Prateek?
I can't think. Worst pickup line? I don't think anyone.
Best.
Best. I don't think I've used pickup lines. I mean,
You just pay them in kind.
You are so stuck with that. You are so stuck with that.
I don't think anybody's used any pickup lines on me. But yes, I have been hit on by gay men.
Yeah.
So have I.
By gay men?
Yeah. We want to be you.
Oh,
That's the best. That's the
Sweet.
best.
I love
That's
that.
sweet.
That's the best. Yeah.
That's really sweet.
That's what I say. Those
That happened
are
on our
really
set,
sweet.
remember?
yeah. I've been told that I have a great backside.
yeah,
You know. to do- Yeah.
Yeah, you want to like.
I hear it all the time. The girls who were doing our fittings for us for this show, I hadn't even met Prateek, who came to my house to do my fittings and said, we've just come from Prateek's house. Sorry we're late. We just came from Prateek's house. We're doing fittings with Prateek. And I was like, okay. And they were like, his pants look so great on him.
Oh my God.
I'm
Prateek, can
like,
you show
okay.
us
I
with
didn't
your
even
pants?
understand.
No, I'm
So obviously,
at this point.
when Prateek showed up on set, the first time I saw him, I was checking out his pants because I wanted to see how great he looked on him.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Shanova?
Okay. I think
This
I
she's
got
ready
this
with, huh? This
message-
she knows, huh?
No, because I got a message 2 days back saying something that are your parents from Al Qaeda because they created a bomb.
Oh my
So
God.
I was like,
This is like politically incorrect.
why? Why me?
Never have I ever been on a first date and known I'm never going to see that person again. I have.
It was my birthday. I was in New York. I was dating a girl. She was waiting in my house for me, and I met another girl. And then I didn't go back till 4 o'clock in the morning, and that girl was waiting for me. And then I never saw her again because she was so upset with me. And she had painted a John Lennon poster for me, which she tore in front of me because she was so pissed off at me.
Yeah, I
So,
would be also. That's mean.
So that, I was mean.
Yeah, that was mean. Yeah. He'd like to
But I
publicly
was young and
apologize to
stupid.
that girl.
But I
right
was young and
now.
stupid. I was young and
Oh,
stupid.
yeah, fair.
I have.
Bolo, bolo,
I have.
bolo.
Or then I choose my dates wisely.
Again, disqualified. Lame.
I choose my dates wisely. So I know I'm gonna, I'm interested in the person. I know I'm gonna see the.
Again. Okay, fair, fair.
Good.
Yeah, a lot
Shanova?
of times, yeah.
Lot of times.
Yeah.
Any of them for any particular reason?
No,
that
I
they've been-
couldn't connect, or one of them started talking like about his So I want to know just about fitness, like normal stuff. He started talking about एक body part describe कर रहा है यार. I'm like, what? He's describing, okay, this, this behind this, and I don't know half the shit, okay? And I'm like, okay, and that went for 2 hours. And I went like yawning.
Trainer tha.
I clearly not trainer. He wanted to be some actor, singer. I don't know what kind of. But he, of course, was into fitness.
And there's now hiccups and hookups on brother and
Absolutely,
sister.
can't wait. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I hope
you
this
for
was
having
fun
us.
and good luck for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please watch the show.